Do you want to build cool looking buttons with just CSS? Here's how to build 3 different hover effects. First, we need a container and some buttons. Each button will have their own class. Notice how it's just simple HTML so far. Next, into a style container, we add this CSS code. We set the position to relative because all the pseudo elements are positioned relative to the button. And we set the overflow to hidden just so that any extra glow or hover effects are not shown outside of the button. And finally, the transition property is just for smooth effects. Now we have the styles of the base buttons. For the first hover effect, we're gonna paste this code, and in the code we're using something called a pseudo element, and it starts from the bottom of the button and slides up as we hover. The button also scales up a little bit just to add a more interactive feel. For the second button, I'm using a linear gradient as a background, and the pseudo element slides from the left to right as we hover over the button. This gives the button a sense of depth. For the last button, we're using keyframes to create a glow effect, and notice how the background shadow changes from soft to bright and then back to soft. And that's it, we just built 3 different hover effects using no JavaScript. Hope you enjoyed and tune in for the next videos.